All right, everybody, welcome back. It is now March the 4th. It is the first time I've been up to the camp since January 29th. Wasn't able to make it up here at all in February, just due to some projects that I had going on at home. But the in-laws called this week and they said that we have some things going on with regards to the construction at the Time Warp cabin. And I wanted to come up and check it out. Plus, have some things that I did want to get some measurements on for the next project that I have going on at the Maple cabin. All right. So here's the Time Warp camp, and not much happening over there, but we've got some exciting new things that have come up to the camp. We've got flags. What's this mean? Basically, this is the beginning of the process of getting the septic put into the camp. This is the location of the two tanks that will go in. Looks like we'll have a 1,750 gallon 2-compartment septic tank, as well as a 1,000-gallon tank for all the liquids that will go in there. So if you can look up there on the hill, just beyond the Pink Flamingo, we'll take a walk up there. This is where the location of the sand mound is actually going to be, as it's been designed. It'll actually cross, it looks like it's going to cross underneath the drive here. And you'll see a couple of flags, orange flags and stakes coming up here just a moment. So this will be the one end of the sand mound, and the other end of the sand mound is just over there by that dead tree. So looks like it's going to be about 49 feet long in order to do what we need it to do. If we turn around here, there's the Time Warp cabin, and there is the Maple cabin, and the flags are gonna be, or the tanks are gonna be right down there in front of the Maple cabin, basically right in between the two cabins, right there. All right, so one of the nice things that's going on with the septic at this point is it appears that the section where the sand mound is going to go, it is not going to require the removal, sorry about all that, but the removal of any nice trees that we have here on the property. Everything that is back here in this area is either dead or it's not a great tree to kind of have on the property, so it's not a big deal in order to get rid of it. So that'll be beneficial in that some of the nice oaks and some of the nice maples that we have here on the property are not necessarily going to be a problem or be affected by the input of this of the sand mound or the septic system altogether. Okay, so one thing that I did forget to mention here at the camp is that we do have a 54-acre reservoir that is right here off the road. This is a 5-minute walk from the camp, and it's all downhill coming down to it, but obviously it's all uphill going the other direction. There's fishing and boating is allowed. No power motors. You can have electric motors and paddle equipment, but you cannot use any sort of a gas powered motor here. As you can maybe hear, there's a bunch of geese up here currently. I don't know if they're mating or what the heck's going on there, but this is a really nice feature of the camp. It's something that we'll be able to utilize. Unfortunately, at this point in time, you are not allowed to swim. So I don't know if that'll ever change, but right now, the boating and the fishing is going to have to be enough. Definitely a nice feature.